Hello guys, I am Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this very simple effect from ribbons in Unreal Engine 5 Niagara. Although I have created a similar effect already in my YouTube channel, if you will see, this is the effect. This is almost same, but this is from particle. You need to use lots of particles, GPU particle for this, but I tried to create the similar effect with ribbons. So let's start this tutorial how I created this. You can see this look already very nice, but you can tweak it and create other thing. So let me just create some variation of this, and I will put this file on my Patreon so you can just download. So this is my first version, and I'm just grabbing it and putting it here. And this is actually not local, so I need to make it local, I guess. Yes. Okay, so let me just first show you how I did first, then I'll work on the variation. So let me start this from the scratch, so it will be easy for you to understand. So I'll just create a new fountain and let's call it test. I will delete it later. So you have this particle